Hey folks, Captain David here. This is going to be a quick tutorial video to show you the different tools that the Captain's Edge has to offer. First, I want to emphasize that this is not guesswork or a gut feeling. This is extrapolated from years of catch data. So first we want to come up here and we can choose our targeted fish. You have several to choose from. We're going to choose sword fishing because that is actually what I wanted to do tomorrow. Going to choose the Gulf of America. You have three different regions here. You could pick Gulf of America, the Keys in South Florida, or the East Coast. We're going to pick Gulf of America. You can see the different color blocks. We have good, great, and excellent. So for tomorrow, which would be April 30th, showing a great day. That's in our favor there. So now let's go down and check out the tips for swordfish. You can run through here and see the different tips. A lot of good information there. Let's close the tips. Then we can check out the report. See what people are saying that they're catching out there. Close that report. Now the very important thing is our sea surface temperature charts. So we can click this SST. Scroll down here to check out our map. If you've never used an SST map before, the colors are a little different. So this blue does not represent blue water. It actually represents cooler water and usually dirtier water. And this green here represents warmer and usually cleaner water. So this is a very good line going right here. This is a good line here, and we've got some good water right through here. We'll be running out to the spur, which is right in this area. And the cool thing about this chart is we can see 3 days in a row. So let's start with the 27th. See where the water is. Here's the pretty water here. 28th. See it moving a little bit closer. The 29th. It's come way up here. Using this information, I have a pretty good guess that the good water is going to be right here, right where we want it tomorrow. So that's good news for us. And you can zoom in, zoom out. Anywhere you put your cursor will give you the coordinates and also the temperature. You can see how much warmer it is on this side of this break than on this side. So let's close that. So all of the information is leading us to a pretty good chance to catch a fish tomorrow. Of course, you want to look at the marine forecast. So now we're going to pretend that we've already gone fishing. It's the 30th. We had a good day, caught a couple of swordfish, even stopped on one of the fads and caught half a dozen mahi-mahi. So when we get back, we want to log this information. All of this information, as time goes by, is going to be very important to you. This is going to up your game tremendously. Knowing what the conditions are, when the fish are biting, this is going to be super for your catches in the future. So let's choose this 30th. We caught 2 swordfish, and we caught half a dozen mahi. Conditions, it was a pretty day, calm with blue water. Save that. Now anytime in the future we can go back and look at those logs. So you can just click log. You can see all of the different fishing trips that we have logged here. You can also do an export CSV. If you do that, you can come up here, click on that, and open it with Excel or any CSV viewer. That's all going to be extremely important information for you in the future. So that's the quick tutorial. No fluff, just super good tools that are going to help you catch fish.